What's up, Peak Timers? Today we're taking a look at the brand new Hot Wheels Mario Kart set. There's a total of 5 characters in this set, including Yoshi, Luigi, Mario, Peach, and Bowser. And we'll start things off with Yoshi. And there is something actually very unique with all of these cars in what they actually do. I'll tell you that in a second. But there we go, we have the packaging, we've got Yoshi on there, and it says Yoshi B Dasher. And then on the back, we can see that we have all the character cars that are included, which obviously we've got them all here today. Let's go ahead and pop open Yoshi. Pop him open from the bottom here. And there is Yoshi, our first one. Looking good. Obviously the green Yoshi, got some nice colored wheels. We've got the little egg thing on the front of it and a total go-kart. And does it move or anything? No, it doesn't. But the detail of the actual character themselves, very, very nice. Great quality. I'm actually quite impressed. This is the first one I've ever opened and held, but impressive, impressive. All right, so what is so unique about all these cars? Well, let's bring out a Hot Wheels track right here. And these perfectly roll and fit down the orange Hot Wheels track, which is really, really cool because there is a lot of cars that they come out with that don't fit perfectly. These ones were perfectly made to roll down the Hot Wheels track. So we're definitely going to be racing them in the future. Next up, we have Luigi. Here is Luigi. Luigi pictured on the actual card as well. And it says Luigi Mach 8, and I believe this is the name of their karts down below. I'm not 100% sure. If you guys know, let me know in the comments down below. Is the names on them below their name, is that the name of the actual cart? We'll see, we'll see. Looks really cool. I like Yoshi's colors. Let's go ahead and pop Yoshi open here. Yoshi comes out nice and easily. We'll put the packaging down, and here we go. The nice yellow and blue with the L on the back of Luigi. And very detailed character. Check it out. Wow, that is very, very nice. I'm just impressed. I'm impressed with the actual detail, the quality of these cars. It's very, very nice looking. And this one would obviously fit down the orange raceway as well. Luigi looking good, looking good. Let me know in the comments down below, guys, which is your favorite Super Mario character? I don't know which one to say mine is. Next up, a fan favorite, we have got Mario himself. There is Mario on the card right there. And we've got Mario standard kart. So this is just a standard kart. It's no souped up kart, I guess. It's just called the standard kart. And there is Mario sitting in there nicely. Let's go ahead and pop him open. Get a closer look at Mario. There we go, Mario. Check out Mario. Looks so happy. Mario's mustache just makes him look like he's smiling. Cool looking wheels on there as well. Got the nice exhaust coming out the back on his standard kart. I guess you could say the M in the front of it. Very cool looking Mario. Mario's got to be a fan favorite. I mean, I'm sure a lot of people are going to say Mario is their favorite character. And really, it's hard to deny how cool Mario is. The star of the Mario franchise. There is Super Mario Kart and Mario. And next up we have Peach. Peach sitting right here looking like her hair is flying in the wind from her cart. Peach is in a standard cart as well. There's the artwork of Peach on there. Very pretty looking. All right, let's go ahead and open Peach up. Mario's girlfriend that Bowser kidnaps and Mario and Luigi have to save her. There is Peach. Looking good. Peach with the pink standard kart that got the crown in the front. The nice colored wheels. There's your nice exhaust on there as well. Very cool looking Peach. I love the way her hair looks in the wind. That's so cool. It looks like she's just flying through the air and the wind is just picking up her hair. But Peach looking very, very cool. A very nice one. Peach got to be a fan favorite as well. And last but not least, we've got the villain, Bowser. Bowser right there. Bowser is in a bad wagon. Of course he's in a bad wagon. There's Bowser sitting right there. Very evil looking Bowser that kidnaps the Peach character in most of the games. There is Bowser. Bowser's a little bit weighty, but he's got the evil stuff that he can beat people in Mario Kart. Even look at Bowser going after Mario right here. Isn't that cool? Isn't that cool? All right, let's go ahead, open up Bowser, get a closer look at Bowser here. Bowser just wants to come out really fast. There we go. Bowser, I love the kart that he's in. Isn't that cool looking? It looks like a little old Chevy or something that he's in, like a 57 Chevy. Even looks like it's got speakers on the back of it. Big spikes on Bowser. Wow, they're so cool. The spikes on them are a little bit soft. You can kind of move them a little bit. And it looks like Bowser is like leaning forward, trying to get to Mario ahead of him. Oh, Bowser. You evil character, Bowser. But Bowser's a cool one. Bowser's got to be included in all of the Mario games and all of these sets, so Bowser definitely helps keep the character friendliness alive. Why not? Come on, Bowser. There we go. And here is all 5 cars from the Hot Wheels Mario Kart set. I'm in absolute love with this set. I think it's fantastic. And if you haven't found it yet, definitely watch out for it. It is in stores right now. Thank you very much for watching this video, guys. We'll definitely be racing these cars down the track in an upcoming video. I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.